Thank you for purchasing the HomeHelp Trolley. We've created this short video to help you with its assembly and to ensure you get the very best out of your new CareCo product. Your HomeHelp Trolley should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. You can now remove all the various components and set them aside, starting with the handles and boxed caster wheels. Lift out the frame and remove the excess wrapping. Make sure you keep hold of the instruction sheet for future reference. You can now unbox and unwrap the caster wheels. Tilt the frame on its side and remove the push pins. You can now insert the caster wheels. Reinsert the pin to secure the wheel into the frame, repeating this process for the remaining wheels. If you wish to adjust the height of the trolley, remove the pins just above the wheels. Then push or pull the wheel until you find your desired height. Using the holes on the legs, you can ensure the legs are at a matching height. This will ensure greater comfort when moving with the trolley. You can now flip the trolley upright to attach the handlebars. Each of the handlebars has a higher and lower end to give the bar a slant. Make sure the lower end is closest to you when walking with the trolley so that you are able to push the product with a comfortable grip. With your HomeHelp Trolley now fully assembled, please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. You can now move hot food and drinks from room to room with ease thanks to the swivelling caster wheels. Don't forget the trays can also be removed should you wish to sit with the tray on your lap. For more information about the HomeHelp Trolley and its assembly, you can visit our website, pop into one of our showrooms or just give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.